Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a work visa, or in other terms an employment visa, for India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, there's a process to apply for Indian employment visa, and you should always check at your local consulate, embassy, wherever it's applicable. Okay. Right now, there's a problem going between India and Canada. So right now, it cannot be applied, but under general conditions, and this will give you an idea, like if you're from a different country, how you're going to proceed. So let's say you are in Toronto, Canada. So I have opened Consulate General of India site. They have given information about employment visa, and if you open the checklist, this is what opens. So what are the things you need to attach? Checklist, online application form, Canadian foreign passport. I mean, this is from Canada. Of course, in your location, it could be your proof of address, photograph, surrender certificate, only applicable to OCI or people of Indian origin. Employment contract, okay. Incorporation letter of the employer, undertaking from company, letter from employer, okay. Educational qualification, experience certificate, okay. Fee. There are some other documents. All right. And they have even specified also, like Indian, or you can apply it online here, visa form, okay. And then you need to select from where you are applying, and after a submission, okay. All right. And then you can take that and go to the visa application center along with the documents, as you can see here in this checklist. Okay. So for those who are here, it has been outsourced to BLS. Again, based on your location, it could be outsourced to someone else, or even embassy doing directly. So let's see what it is. So for employment, or you can say work visa, this is the fee. And this is in Canadian dollars. This fee can also vary. Okay. All right. And yes, you have to go for biometrics. Now, documents required. Checklist is here. You can open same thing that we have seen there. Okay. Processing time, we'll go through the form. Okay. All right. Online application form to fill by foreign non-conditional national, Sri Lankan origin, additional form for employment visa. Okay. So I'll open this one and I'll open this one as well. Additional form, name and address of project contract, total size of project, details of visa applicant, date signed. This is a very simple form, but let's go through online. Okay. So we'll go for here because this is a regular visa, not an e-visa. So apply online, fill and submit form direct securely, submit the documents when we go to BLS. Okay. Here in Canada, and your location will be different. And then if it is granted, it's fine. All right. First, you need to select the country where you are applying from, not your nationality. Okay. Here you need to select where you are applying, nationality. Date of birth, you need to select as per your case. Okay, whatever information I show here is totally sample, and this does not belong to any person living. Okay, and I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. This is just sample guide. All right, this is just sample. So you do it as per your situation. Expected date of arrival as per your case. Not, don't go by this one. Visa type, yeah, this is very important. See, there are so many options, so make sure you pick the correct one. Okay, so I select this one, but whatever is applicable, you can do that. This is just sample guide, as I said. Have you ever changed your name? If you check, you've got to provide details. If not applicable, type any. Whatever is applicable in your case. Wow, they ask for religion also. Education qualification, nationality, passport details, very important. This is again sample. Place of issue, date of issue. I'm just putting sample. Any other valid passport identification card held? I select no. You can go to the next. You can save and come back later as well. Permanent address. Wow. So many things they ask, and they have to. Yeah. Just sample, guys. Sample. Email address. Click here for same address. This is present address, permanent address. I just select father details. Wow. This I've seen in all Indian visa application forms, including e-visas, that they do ask for your parent details. Plus nationality, religion, Canada, place of birth. This was not mandatory previous. I just filled it. You don't have to, if not applicable. Other detail, Ella Smith. Just sample. Kitchener. Okay. Country. Marital status. I select single. Select yes only if your grandfather. Otherwise select no. I said okay. Whether your grandfather parent Pakistan national belong to Pakistan heredity. I select no. Present occupation. Engineer. Employer name. PD engineers. These are all sample information, guys. Do not use it. Fast track question, I don't have to. Are you serving military organization? I select no. 7, continue. Okay, now going to employment visa, professional qualification. So whatever is company name, address of company, one, designation, monthly salary in INR. Wow, too much, right? EPF ID, Provident Fund ID. I'm just putting sample. Duration in months, let's say 24 months. Number of entries, multiple. Expected date of journey, port or arrival, Delhi. Expected port of exit, Delhi. Have you visited India before? I select no, but if you have, what have you ever been refused? Has permission to visit or extended previously been refused? I select no. Countries visited in last 10 years. So I just put Canada. Have you visited SAARC nation apart from your own country last 3 years? I select no. Reference, yeah. In this case, reference definitely they would seek for because uh, you are applying for employment. Reference name in Canada, Peter. And continue. Okay, now it's asking about some security questions. If you put yes to any of these, you need to provide explanation, but read very carefully. Do not answer anything wrong, otherwise you could get into trouble. Now the declaration, and then it will go to the next page where you'll submit it. So of course, I'm not going to do that, but I've walked you through the whole process. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.